I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you structure a faceless channel so one missed upload does not break your whole system? The short answer is don't build your channel around production speed. Build it around buffer protection. Here's the simple framework. First, keep a published buffer. For a weekly channel, that means at least 2 fully finished videos scheduled ahead. Not drafted, not half edited, finished. If one upload slips, the channel still publishes and your audience sees consistency. Second, keep your pipeline staggered. At any given time, you want 1 video scheduled, 1 fully edited, 1 in production, and 1 in research. That way, 1 delay only affects 1 stage, not the entire channel. Third, define a recovery mode. If your buffer drops from 2 scheduled videos to 1, stop chasing new ideas and only work on getting the buffer back. Recovery mode means simpler formats, faster topics, and no optional complexity. Here's the decision rule. Never let your channel operate upload to upload. If you're finishing this week's video the day it goes live, your system is fragile. If you use Satura, this works well as a simple workflow layer because you can track buffer status instead of just task completion. That's how you make a faceless channel resilient. Scheduled buffer, staggered pipeline, and a clear recovery trigger.